Alright, a few things tonight. I don't know if the scenery may seem familiar from the last time I did something like this, sounds of the night, or also known as noises of the night. You remember that video? I hope you can hear me. Um, it's still Sunday over here, or maybe not, but on Sundays over here in this part of the world, you're supposed to be quiet. Sorry I didn't do anything all day. Other parts of the world are awake in the warm sun. It's dark over here in springtime and I'm freezing. April 1st, guess what happened to me April 1st? I got snow and it was falling all day. Okay? I got snow on April 1st. What a joke. That's why I'm questioning whether to put out the yard furniture or not yet. Snow in April. Anyways, a few things tonight. I figured out, I remembered a few more rules, and as I said, if I remembered them, I would tell you. And here I am. And then the conversation with me and the future of my channel. And that's pretty much it. Because I already forgot everything else. Yep, I'm getting up there. I should have made coffee. It's cold out here. Oh, and tonight, yeah, I want you to know, besides me, I want you to, let me know what sounds you hear once again. I'm gonna be quiet in a few minutes. And here are the YouTube rules I remembered. You can't swear in your videos anymore. And, even when you're thinking, okay, we'll beep it out. But no, supposedly YouTube doesn't want you to use the beep noise either. Can you believe that? That's what I hear. That's what I hear from other videos. So no swearing and no beep noise either. They don't even want you to beep it out. It's just strictly no swearing either. Feel like you're in school again with all these rules? But it's worth to follow the rules if you like your channel. I remember I've been trying this YouTube thing since YouTube was new, when I used to play what I wanted in the background and you had freedom of speech. And anyways, these are the rules of 2022, and I believe since years before. And with all that being said, I guess it's kind of a clear night tonight. I didn't do anything yesterday because I didn't think you'd hear me over the wind. And I'm going to be quiet now and tell me what you hear in this part 2 of Noises of the Night. I would also like to mention the sounds of cars, they don't count. I don't mean sounds of cars. So, sorry for another interruption, but obviously you should know that if you see or hear anything, let me know in the comments below. I've just been racking my brain on what to give you that hasn't already been given 1,000 times over on YouTube. Everything I think of, every title that comes out of my mouth is already taken. You hear that? That's another thing too at night, always some weird banging and hammering. Who hammers at night? One time at this time of night, I heard a table saw too. Well, it sounded like one. And screaming. Sometimes I want to follow the sound. Okay. Hope you all are doing well tonight. How does everybody feel when you come up with something? It gets no views, no likes, no attention at all. Someone else more popular does the same exact thing, and they're loved by millions. I just want to quickly say thank you for visiting me tonight here at Shade Studios, or while filming. Thanks for joining me in the YouTube graveyard. Tonight I have this light with a sensor, so if anything of the night joins me or walks by it, I'll know. You might want to cover your eyes a minute. See, I got this. It'll go on whenever something walks by it. So, what just went by me? I was gonna go into the woods today, but I laid there feeling like cement, sad, and just couldn't move. I want to be an open book with you because I feel like every YouTuber should learn from Shades. If you be more honest and more open, the viewers will trust you more and not lie and script everything. future of this channel. What do you think I'm going to do next? Really close to 50 episodes on my late night audio show. I'm not one to steal topics. That's why I'm very careful with what I upload. If I upload something that already exists, let me apologize because I didn't know about it. No one tells me anything. Anybody here with me that wishes to come forward in the next 2 minutes? That's all we got left tonight. I could be mistaken. I don't mean to get you excited for those who actually watch, but I think for some reason I'm allowed to go live. I might do a live test tomorrow. Maybe, I don't know yet. Thank you for listening to me, no matter if it was a few seconds, a few minutes. Just thank you for taking the time, out of your busy schedule or your busy life to come spend time with Shades. The other side of the world is awake in the warm sunshine, and I'm just still right here, where I belong. Any spirit want to say hello to the viewers? Thank you for being with me tonight, spirits and viewers in the YouTube audience, my beautiful internet neighbors. Anybody who decided to join me tonight, thank you.